An Eastern Carolina district attorney will not bring charges in a deadly shooting at a funeral home last week. Greenville police say the shooting of 34-year-old Terrence Roundtree Jr. at his family's business has been ruled a case of self-defense. The man was shot inside Roundtree Family Mortuary on Dickinson Avenue last Friday. He was taken to ECU Health Medical Center where he later died. A police department spokeswoman says the shooting stemmed from an argument and that a family member shot Roundtree.